You can easily place your images into pre-made shapes and add a custom border in Canva. Start by going to the Elements tab and selecting Frames. Browse the available shapes and drag your chosen frame onto the canvas. Next, simply drag and drop your photo from your uploads directly into the shape frame. To adjust how the photo fits, double-click on the image. You can now reposition and scale the photo within the shape until it looks just right. Finally, to add a border, select the frame and click Stroke Style in the toolbar. Choose a line style, adjust the weight, and pick a color for your border. Your image is now perfectly fitted inside a custom shape frame with a polished border.